So any particular YouTube channel, they display total 5 type of ads. So any you can play this one. They showing depend on your ads, the playing for your website. The ads will be totally first one. This is an overlay ad. This is mean by overlay ad. Overlay nothing but in between the video, the ad will become there will be total text with the image ad or image ad. So this one. Next one, in the video right corner, they showing for display ad. For display ad. So coming to if we select by m.youtube will be accept. Actually not accept by m.youtube. When you accept by m.youtube, the display ad will be showing for right side, the showing for footer option. Showing to footer option. Next one, the showing for ad will be under sponsor cards. Here will be showing for ads will be showing for sponsor card. And next one, two very important, skip and non-skippable. So how to create this type of ad? So by requiring only for skippable ad, I'm not looking for unnecessary ads. That all belongs to for edit video. Edit video. In this video option, they can call option called monetization. They can call option call is monetization. So this all will be options here. So this will be new version particular option. So I'm going to Studio Classic. Change your in this, go for monetization, see that display, overlay, sponsor card, skippable and non-skippable. Default ad is the display ad is the default. We can't change. Any ad will be not needed. Therefore, you require only for non-skippable ad, including display. Display will be common ad. Remaining not required. So they not displayed. Suppose if increase earnings, everything will be required. Everything will be required. So total will be first one display. This will be video in the right corner of the desktop. Mobile will be video below on the mobile. Overlay ad. When play the video, in between ad is called overlay ad. In between the video, showing for video overlay ad. Sponsored card. In showing for I symbol, they will showing for sponsored card symbol. They will show you for your particular ads. Next one, skippable and non-skippable. Non-skippable is the less than 5 seconds. Skippable is the more than 5 seconds. Some special ad will be there up to 15 seconds, no skip. Some special ad, it will be up to 15 seconds, no skip. So will we play any kind of videos? I'll show you what type of ad will be displayed in a particular video. The ad will be here. When coming to yellow mark here, the ad will be started. The yellow mark will be started. The ad will be started. So ad will be started. This is the overlay. This is the overlay ad. If you showing the ad will be right corner, that is called display ad. That will be display ad. So we'll check one more. Here for that display ad. They will showing for this is mean also your earnings on your desktop. This ad will showing for footer. The video below is a mobile version. So this will be overlay. When coming to scrolling, they showing for skip and non-skippable ads also. Skip and non-skippable. So select here. Here will be showing for sponsor car ads. Sponsor car will be rare displayed by the sponsor car ads. Mostly displayed by the display and overlay, skip and non-skippable. I'll show the skip ad. Now you can see when video play started will be they showing for skip and non-skip video. Up to 5 seconds your earning will be fixed. After 5 seconds, how many seconds you're watching, the earning will be added on your particular channel. Now I'm showing how many ads will be up to for 24 seconds will be done. So we'll not go by back. Any ad will be not we can play for reback. So the display is a skip and non-skippable. They're not showing for non-skip nothing but less than 5 seconds. Skip nothing but more than 5 seconds. Skip one and your ads. This is the type of ads to advertise on your YouTube to earning money on the total 5 version. So any version will be very important on particular channel. In this, which one is the default? Display is the default. Remaining 4 you can add or remove your wish. Skippable, non-skippable, sponsor card and overlay ads.